Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so glad you're here to build your English skills with us. Today, we have a very important topic that will help you build real friendships.
That's right. After you've introduced yourself and talked about your hobbies, the next step is to make plans. Today, you will learn how to invite someone to do something and how to respond to an invitation.
This can feel nerve-wracking, but don't worry. The phrases are very simple and very common. By the end of this longer lesson, you will have everything you need to confidently ask a friend to hang out.
Part 1. How to suggest an activity. Okay, so you want to invite a friend to do something. The most polite and common way to do this is with a simple question.
The magic phrase is, would you like to? This is a friendly and gentle way to invite someone. You just add the activity at the end.
Let's look at a few examples. You could ask, would you like to go for a coffee? Would you like to watch a movie on Friday? Would you like to have dinner with me?
Another great, slightly more casual way to make a suggestion is to use the word let's. This is like saying, I have an idea for us.
Yes, you could say, let's get a pizza after class, or let's go to the park this weekend.
And these phrases are incredibly useful. If you're finding this kind of practical English helpful for building your real-world confidence, why not take a moment to hit the subscribe button? It's completely free, and it means you'll never miss out on a lesson that could help you speak better. We love having you as part of our learning community here at Confidence in English.
Part 2. How to say yes to an invitation. Okay, so a friend invites you to do something and you want to go. Saying yes is the easy and fun part.
You can keep it simple. A great enthusiastic response is, yes, I'd love to.
That's my favorite. It's so positive. You can also say, that sounds great. Or, that's a good idea. Or a simple, sure.
The most important thing is to sound happy and positive in your voice.
Part 3. How to say no politely. But what if you are busy? It's very important to know how to say no in a polite way that doesn't hurt your friend's feelings.
We can use a simple 3-step formula for this. First, say you're sorry. Second, give a simple reason. Third, maybe suggest another time.
Here's a perfect example. A friend asks, would you like to go to a concert on Saturday? You could say, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm busy on Saturday. Maybe another time?
That is the perfect polite response. You said no, but you showed that you are still interested in being friends.
Part 4. Deciding on a time and place. Great, so you've invited someone and they said yes. Now you just need to decide on the details, the time and the place.
To ask about the time, you can say, what time should we meet?
And to suggest a time, you can say, let's meet at 7 p.m.
To ask about the place, you say, where should we meet?
And to suggest a place, you can say, let's meet at the cafe on Main Street. Part 5. Let's role play.
Okay, let's put all of these steps together into a full conversation. Anna, will you invite me to do something?
I'd love to. Hey, Tom, would you like to see the new superhero movie this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to. That sounds great. When are you free?
I'm free on Saturday evening.
Perfect. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 6:30 p.m. The movie starts at 7.
Okay, 6:30 it is. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cinema entrance.
Sounds like a plan. I'll see you on Saturday.
Great. I'm looking forward to it. Part 6. Final lesson review.
That conversation was a perfect example of how to make plans. Let's quickly review all the key phrases we learned today.
To suggest an activity, you can say, would you like to? Let's.
To say yes, you can say, yes, I'd love to. That sounds great.
To say no politely, you can say, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm busy.
And to decide the details, you can ask and answer, what time should we meet? Let's meet at... Where should we meet? Let's meet at...
That's everything you need. You are now ready to make plans with friends in English.
Thank you for taking this time to learn with us on Confidence in English. Remember, every small conversation is a big victory.
You're building your skills and your confidence step by step. We are so proud of you.
For your next lesson, click right here to watch the next video.
Until next time, keep practicing. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.